Alright, to remove bands from your Huawei Band 9, you just need to flip it like that, and on its back part you would see these two buttons, like down button and up button. So to remove the strap, you will need to press the button and it will automatically fall out like that. You can just help it with your hands. Let's do it on the other side as well. So just press this button, you will hear a click, and now you can remove this band. It is really easy. So the smaller part always goes on top. So to attach bands, if it will be new bands in your case, you do just the same thing, but in my case it will be the same because I don't have another one. So just look at its part here and you need to insert it in that hole. Just simply till you hear a click like that. And do just the same thing with the other end and voila! So yeah, that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.